Welcome to this Freeform 2026.1 new feature video covering Deform Selection. Deform Selection is a new tool that allows you to move, rotate, and scale a selected region of a model while adjacent areas deform smoothly to maintain continuity. It can be found in the Deform Clay palette, but note that this also works on mesh pieces. The first step in using this tool is to define the deforming region and the moving region. The Selection by Slice mode allows for interactive selection using a plane that shows the slice on the model. The arrow indicates the direction, and a click of the stylus or mouse will perform the selection. The deforming region is the area that will deform in response to the moving region. You can select the moving region using the same tool, but it must be adjacent to or a subset of the deforming region. Click Preview to show a proxy of the model so you can deform it in real time. Move and rotate the moving region, and then click Apply to perform and accept the deformation to calculate the full resolution and result. You can use 3D curves or planes to define complex boundaries. The Select Seed Point tool is used to select the areas between or next to the planes or curves. A deformation like this would be very challenging to perform without this tool and involve manual resculpting. Another use for this tool is to relax and realign scan data. This hand has a slight bend in the wrist that needs to be fixed. We can add precision to the process by creating a target for the deformation fulcrum and using numeric entry to make small adjustments. I have a couple helper Dynabots to improve my workflow so I can quickly fit an annotation point and some planes. Now back into Deform Selection. Select the regions, click Select Fulcrum Location, and snap to the annotation point. Click Preview and then open up the advanced settings. My rotation step is set to 1 degree, so for each click I can rotate the moving region around the fulcrum point by 1 degree. And done. You are not limited to a single deformation region or a single moving region, as long as the regions are adjacent. On this model we have many possible regions. I will select all of the curves and then seed select inside each leg for the deformation region. The body will be the moving region. As you can see in the preview, the body is free to move, the legs deform to it, and the feet remain untouched. The advanced dialog is still open, so how about we scale that body up a little bit? Finally, we have a practical engineering example where you need to extend part of a model. The shaft of this bolt can be stretched using Deform Selection. I already have planes created for the regions, so I will make the selections. Now, using the advanced dialog, extend the head of the bolt.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.